Alright, so a lot of people have been asking, so what does the Z1 off-road intake sound like? Well, it's really hard to get sound clips of an intake kit, but I'll try. Light just turned green. So it's like I said, I hope the camera picks it up. It probably won't, but it's really got a lot of bark to it, a lot of induction sound. It's not obnoxious. It's not nearly as loud as that Air Raid branded intake that I put on my 3.6 liter JK Wrangler that one time, but it is pretty loud, especially under wide open throttle. You can really hear it. I mean, like I said, there's just not really a good way, unless you have some really expensive audio equipment, there's not a good way to isolate the intake, because you got the wind noise around the truck, you got tire noise, engine noise, and everything else, and it's really hard to isolate that intake. But take my word for it, it does sound pretty good. I'm going to slow up here just a little bit, give it one more full throttle run, and we'll see what the camera can pick up. All right, I'm at about 40 miles an hour. Here we go. So there you go. I'm gonna play the video back myself when I get home and see if it actually is discernible or not before I post this, but hopefully it'll work out for those of you who wanted to see what it sounds like. I think it sounds pretty good. I mean, it really has a sporty sound to it. It's got a different sound to it than a lot of V6s. Definitely has a unique sound compared to the other ones that are on the market. But that's a Nissan for you. They're real popular in the V6 world. They make some great V6 engines, and with this Z1 intake, it does sound really good.